Okay, so I started अभी अब तक means still what we was looking over, we was looking the method of a string. Anyone having any issue up to now? Tell me. Any issue in the method of a
No,
string?
sir. No, sir.
No issue. Fine. So now one more is there. Just 1 second. Okay. So one more thing is there that we can display whatever we are going to write there. In the case of JavaScript, we can create with the help of JavaScript itself HTML. Got it? So suppose if you want to display something like that, see in the console, H2 is there, then be getting something, then Li is there, then be getting something, and something be getting here. Means complete HTML we going to create there. We can write and we can loop. Means this we will learn later. Don't worry. But we can create everything on the JavaScript. And if you want, you can display on the HTML. Okay. So means what you got from this one here means in the JavaScript itself, we can write everything HTML. Let's see one thing how we had written. So H1, if we be writing with that HTML, we will get automatic suggestions, but here you will not get the suggestion. Okay, so you have to write all the things manually. Slash H1, we have to create one variable. Let HTML data equal to, like this way I created variable, and what I will do, I will pass this thing to HTML. So how to pass on the HTML page? Can anyone tell me? How to pass
Document
means,
dot get
yeah.
element by ID.
So document dot get element by ID. We will pass here dot inner HTML equal to, this is my data. Correct? Let's see on the HTML page. Is there any ID? No. So do anything, just write. I will write with a span and let's see what it will do. ID equal to demo, copy, save. Now come to here, date element by ID, pass, save. See, we got the output header. Now change this one and pass H to H1. Means text will be bold. Sorry, H1. Let's save. We got something or not? Due to a smaller screen, we can't identify that one. Correct? We got that. Now, if you want not that, if you want span or otherwise p tag, let's see, it become clear. So means what we got from here, that we can pass a complete HTML code from JavaScript to HTML and it will work whatever you passing. Means now here we can write a style also. Correct or not? A style equal to, we can give color colon red. Is this correct or something wrong? Something wrong. This one. We got that. Got it? Some idea or not? So if you getting some data, if you want to write that complete HTML from the where JavaScript page, you can write that. So same thing here, what we had done here, we had written something and same thing it going to do. Don't worry regarding this one. Just take care. Who is unmute? Okay, so it means by this way we can pass any HTML code from the JavaScript, means with complete tag. Because maybe you can think if we written this one as a string, then it have to display on the HTML also as like a string, means complete text. But no, it's taking whatever HTML tag is available. Tag will be affect as per the means a tag, like H1 it will be bold, P it will be normal. So like according to the tag it will display the output. But if you will display the same thing in console, what will be the output? Will it like this type or this complete line? What are you thinking? In console if we will write, what it will come? Hello, complete line. Let's see. लग रहा है खाना खाने के बाद सब सो गई. So see, we got the complete line. It not doing any distinguish between the line and the output. Got it? Whatever we had written here, this line getting to be in the console. But when the same thing is going in the HTML page, it will work according to that tag. Clear? So this way we had look over the string. Means all the operation of a string, we had done many manipulation. Now we have to move in the next one. Next is number. Now tell me how we can write number, how we can verify that is number type. Tell me two questions. First, as quick. A13. I asked some question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I asked some question. Yeah, what question I asked?
So the which type of like number?
How you will display number and how you will verify that this is a number? Two questions.
With the help of type
First,
of.
I not want to delay. With the help of type of, we can tell that this is not, means this is number, okay? And how you will write, means how you will declare the variable?
That dollar symbol and curly braces.
No, not that much. Means just we will write number. Means
Yes.
like let x equal to 10, that's it.
Yes, sir.
So that we going to do script dot slash 1.js. See, if you studied one method clearly, then all method will be look similar type. There is just minor changes and you will get different type, but it will not that much complicated. That is the thing. So let's say, yeah. So how you can define that? That is a number. With the help of let x equal to something, you will create a, what about this both? It both will be number type or different type. What are you thinking?
Number
What
type,
will
sir.
be number type? Let's
Yes,
see that. Let's check the type of operator. Correct? So take that console.log and check that type of x, fine, pass comma, take another type of I passing y. Let's see the output. So this will give you the number in both case. Okay, but if this will be like other language like Java, C, C++, it will not give you number. First will give you number, but second will be something different. Float or double, I think.
Different now. First is different.
Yeah.
Second one is number.
Yeah, sorry, not first one. Yeah, 3.14. This will be like, I think, float or double something. But in case of JavaScript, whether decimal
sir.
or anything, what will be this one, float or double?
Sir, in JavaScript, float or double, sir, it's
No,
available or not?
in Java.
In Java float, sir.
Yeah, sir. Why is same?
We will get Java means in float or Python also
Java.
same thing, .NET also, except JavaScript. Okay. So yeah,
What is float, sir?
float means a decimal value.
Okay.
There decimals are available. So decimal
Data
value will
type,
be considered.
Sir, float
Yeah,
is a data
yeah.
type. Sir.
Data type like a number, boolean, a string. We had discussed that, Sweta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Like that itself, that see how much data type in the Java. I don't know regarding Python and that side. Which is first? Which one? Dharmender.
Integer.
Byte.
Types of
No.
data type. Primitive,
First is a
non-primitive.
byte. Correct.
Yeah, bit and
One
byte. Yes, sir. It take eight
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
8 byte.
Next is a bit.
Double will take.
Next is a
10
bit.
byte.
Fine. Next is a byte. Next is a int. Then
Long,
It take 4
short.
byte memory space.
Int,
float.
char,
Oh,
float,
long.
double,
Float take 8 byte memory.
array, pointer,
Char,
array pointer,
Array pointer.
non-primitive.
That's not
Yes, sir. Yes.
string,
float double
string,
string.
Char.
char,
Boolean.
bool,
Char, yeah.
bool.
Char will be here itself. That will come.
Yes,
Char,
a cat take 2 byte. Yeah.
yeah. Then
Boolean take 1
boolean.
bit. It take 1 bit.
So these all are the data type in case of a Java and a Python, .NET. Those all programming languages.
Yes, sir.
But
.NET also.
but in yeah, but in case of JavaScript, it will be not. Just in JavaScript, number, boolean, a string. That's it.
Array, array.
It not. Yeah, array and object. Both side. Okay. So let's say okay. Let's just check that another thing. If I taking 12 point something means exponential value. Let's see what it going to give. So it giving you the type equal to number. Fine. And let's check the value. Console.log. Not well. Okay. And x, comma, y. Let's save and check. See, I passing both variable same time. Okay. I not want to check another. It checking same thing. So it giving you some value. I don't know how that going to operate. Take this one, pass here and see. We got that value. Correct. This is your exponential value. 1 to 3 power 5. That is the value. Is this correct or not? 1 to 3 power 5. Is that will be or something? Hello? Is this will be 1 to 3 power 5 or something different? This is.
No, sir. Not power, sir.
Sir, exponent, sir. Exponent.
Okay. Okay. Means a log value, I think. In the form of log exponent, I think it will represent like that.
Yeah, sir. Log value.
Yeah. Okay. So extra large and extra small number can be written with a scientific exponent notation. It's no issue. Next, JavaScript number are always 64-bit floating point. What is this? Let it to be. So see. Yeah. Now integer precision. Let's see something. So in case of integer precision, integer numbers, number without a period or exponent notation are accurate up to 15 digit. It will be accurate up to 15 digit and after 15 digit it will be not accurate. See that what is this x equal to this much. Okay. Then y equal to there something value. Copy this line. These all are useless thing actually. But we get dot here. X is not defined. Okay. Means after 15 digit, how many digit is there? It's too much. See, same thing we can represent like this way. 2 power 53. Let it to be. This is not required. These are just for namesake. These all are given. Floating precision means a floating point number you can pass like this way. It giving you 100%, means say floating point arithmetic is not always 100% accurate. Now the term came floating. Floating point means floating type means the same thing. Decimal value. Sweta, clear? Floating means a decimal value.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever decimal value is there. So what is telling, floating point arithmetic is not always 100% accurate, because if you going to add 0.2 and 0.1, it will not give you accurate value. Okay. Then multiply something, let it to be. Now adding numbers and a string. What is this one? Tell me fast. Adding number and a string. Concatenation, correct? With the help of plus operator. We had seen. Now this is addition of two number. Anyone having issue of the addition of two number? What is this one? Is this addition or not?
Sir,
Yes,
string.
sir. Yes.
This will be addition.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether it will
Addition
give
of
addition.
two string. No, sir. It's a concatenation. 10, 20.
Instead, let's save
10, 20.
10, 20. Because
10,
that
20.
is a number, that is a string. Fine. Then again 10 and 20. Then again 10, 20. These all are concatenation. So don't make mistake. Okay. Please keep in mind what it will do. These already we had seen these all things. So JavaScript interpreter work from left to right. From which side? In concatenation itself, I had told that it will start from the left side and it will move in the right side. Same thing is written here. See, the JavaScript interpreters work from left to right. Got it? That's why when we going to add this line, see, he got 10, 20 and 30. Now it added. So how they added? They added here. Sorry. Yeah. They added here 10 plus 20 plus 30, 30, 30, very 30. Yeah. Within double quote 30. What will be output? First it will do from the left to right. Left to right in the sense, first it will add this both. Got it? 10 plus 20. It become, first it will give you 30 plus and within a string 30. Clear? 30 plus within a string 30. And now in the final result will come 30 and 30. Clear? Or anyone having doubt? This is concatenation itself. That's why we getting that result. So it will add, means I start addition from the left to right, not from right to left side. So next numeric string. How to make numeric string? Speak fast. How to make numeric string?
Sir, number can
Plus,
pass double
plus.
quotation and
No, numeric string means number become a string.
No.
How?
Yeah, no.
Yes. No,
Sir,
we
we
are going
use
to take
quote, single,
double
double.
quotation. Use double quotation.
Double quote, single quote,
Yes,
abatic,
sir.
anything.
Abatic.
So that
Yes,
become it. Yeah. So that it become that number sorry, string type. JavaScript will try to convert a string to number in all numeric operations. Okay. JavaScript will try to convert a string to number in all operation. Let's say do this operation. What will be output? What will be output?
10,
Log.
sir.
Sir, not 10, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 10 because it divide.
Let's say I don't know. It given 10 because it converted
In
number.
case of
It converted a string to
Yeah,
number
only in
and this
case of
string
plus
also
it's
to
so.
number. See, because here, what this line is?
In case of plus only it's so concatenation.
See, JavaScript will try to convert. JavaScript will try to convert a string to number in all numeric operation. Whatever numeric operation you're going to do in all, it will convert like that. So here multiplication, it will do same thing. Subtraction, it will do. Addition, it will do the same thing. In the last example, JavaScript uses the plus operator to concatenate the string. Correct? In this operation, now tell me the answer. What is the result?
110.
10.
Yes, sir.
110.
110, sir. 110.
110. See, 10010 because this is concatenation, not the divide, multiplication, those things. But if we pass multiplication, let's see what we got. 1000.
1000.
Because in
In
case
case
of
of
plus,
minus also
it
90.
will do. Yeah, so it will do always concatenation. Next, one more thing, means important thing you can tell. NaN in interview they are asking what is NaN. NaN in the sense not a number. When this will be not a number? Now see, not a number is a JavaScript reserved word indicating that number is not a legal number. Okay, trying to do arithmetic with non-numeric string will result not a number. Means it going to perform the arithmetic operation, but with whom? With a non-numeric string. Let's do one thing. Just now we was doing this operation.
String divide by anything. It's so yeah.
Now see, we divided the string by a string, correct or not? 100 divided by 10. This is your string, but be getting the output. It's working fine, correct? Do one thing, remove this one and pass something later, as like apple is there. Fine, remove this 10 and pass here anything. Just I passing apple. Now see what is the division of this result. So we going to divide number with some string. Internally, Java string try to convert a string into number. Correct? Here we had written 100. Is in the that is 1 second. Recording is going or not?
Yes, sir. It's going.
Yes, sir.
So here number is written with a single string, single quote, but means that JavaScript will convert into number. It is a string, but it will convert into number. Fine. What about this one? It is number. It is a string. It will try to convert into number, but how it will convert? That's not possible because that is not a numeric string. Numeric string in the sense this one. This is number, but a string. So this is a numeric string. Means number become the string, but in our second case, that is not a numeric string. Correct or not? So same thing is written here with a not a numeric string. The result will be what? What will be the result? So result will be not a number. So we got a not a number. Clear? So whenever you going to do any task with a non-numeric string, you will get the result as a NaN. Let's say do different operation. Do plus. What will be output? A speed fast. What will be output?
100 apple.
1000
Let's see 100 apple. Fine. Do minus subtraction. What will be output?
Not a number.
Not a number. Fine. Next multiplication.
Not a number.
Not a number. Do percentage modulus.
Same.
Not
sir.
a number.
Not a number.
Give that modulus.
Same.
Not a number.
Not a number. So how do you realize what happened? If we will pass here If we will pass a numeric one, pass something 2 and save, you will get the output. In all case, do plus, save, do minus, save, do multiplication, save, because this is a numeric string. Got it? But when you doing these all arithmetic operation with a not a numeric string, non-numeric string, that time you will get not a number. But in only one case where you will not get not a number. Tell me which condition? Who can tell?
Yes, sir.
Plus, sir, it shows concatenation
Plus
property.
only.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So in plus it will give concatenation. That time only it will not give you not a number. Otherwise remaining all having not a number. Clear? Anyone having any issue? Tell me. So JavaScript is not a number, find to have a not a number. Okay. As like is array, we can find out that it is array or not. So same type, there is one process by which we can check is not a number. So as like now you getting is not a number, no means not a number. Fine. So pass this method is not a number and pass z and save. Sorry, it's wrong. So what happened? Is not a number, z means that is not a number. So we got the true because division pass plus. What will you output? Is not a number, true or false?
Also,
False. Because it going to concatenate. What happened? Yes, it's correct. Because it will give you result after concatenation. That is not, that will be not number. So you get the same thing. So with the help of not
In
a,
place of apple, so in place of apple, take 10
yeah,
and do
yeah,
concatenation.
take that, save. So we got false because this is
No,
not
sir,
a number.
plus x plus
Okay,
y.
plus. So we got false because
Yeah.
that is not a number. Correct? Because it giving you output like 110. That
But
will be
it's
a
number,
string.
no, sir, 10.
Now this is number. But what you taking the question? See, is not a number.
Okay, it is a string. Yes, sir, yeah, it's a string.
That is not a NaN. Output should be NaN. Then only you can tell that's not a number. Let's see. Sorry. Let's say. Yeah. So we got a number. Fine. Let's do operation. Division and pass here APPLE. Now see, you got that NaN and it become true because not a number. Fine. Now pass here 10. Clear or not? So this way we can check the property not a number. As like is array. Same thing we can do that. Any issue up to now? Tell me. So watch out, not a number. If use NaN in mathematical operation, the result will be NaN. Means now what it telling? If you will take NaN in the value also, like this way, what will be the output? What will be output?
NaN.
Output will be NaN.
10
Means
and
this NaN is a act like a value. This is not the variable or the result. Got it? So here we have taken NaN. It's fine. It's look like simple, correct? Don't worry, this is just a trailer. Movie is pending now. So this way we can do all the, I mean say, yeah, okay. This came. Second. Okay. Pass this. What is the output? What will be output?
Same.
First.
NaN.
NaN.
NaN, really?
NaN.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes.
NaN 5.
Yes, sir.
NaN 5. It going to concatenate. This is become a string. Got it?
But you said, sir, NaN is not variable, it's a value.
Yeah, that is like value. Where I telling that this is a variable. This is value.
Yes, sir. Okay.
It going to
Sir,
do
in NaN you
concatenation.
can pass that single quote, sir. Then we.
Yeah, sir. Single quote, sir.
Yes, sir. You can pass single quote.
It's become normal string. Now it's not like a. Now it's 1 second. Yeah. Because now it's simple. Now it is a string. Previously we were telling that is not a number. Now we are telling just a simple string. Click this. Something. See this. You got the library information of not a number. You just see declare where NaN colon number. It is giving you the complete description of NaN. You know how to open this means complete library package. Press Control, pass here, or it will automatic open that from the library. As like a late, press Control. No, late it's not giving you. In the method case, you will get. If you want more information, you can go and check there. Now, the case of infinity, what are you getting from the term infinity?
Plus sign.
What?
Sir, please replace the plus sign on multiply or division. Sir.
Infinite.
Awesome.
Number into number.
My calculator battery
I
got
do.
finished. Okay. I will replace only one time. Yeah, plus minus multiplication. What you want?
Multiplication, sir.
Multiplication. What you will get output? Tell me.
I don't know.
And
You
NaN.
don't know. What you had thought? This
Yes,
circus
yes,
is going on. You will get NaN, man. See. Because you're going to do operation with a NaN term. Means like a not means a string time. Correct. It will give you NaN only.
And NaN can't be divisible by 5. Sorry, multiply by 5.
Yeah. Okay. Now don't tell me plus minus this that. What is this? Yeah.
While
So now number
Infin-
equal to 2 while something it going to 2. Okay.
my number.
Anybody feeling sleepy? Anybody
Class
feeling
off कर
that?
देंगे.
Tell me. Huh.
Sir, you give T, no, sir. Go.
Oh my God. Sweta. Night class.
टेम्पल
One
नहीं
time
जाने का
that is.
सर.
See, one time lunch break, then tea break, then after that 5-minute coffee break. What is this? Only we will not study. We will take break only. Okay.
Sir,
So
you
here
tell na movie pending. That's why.
movie pending. Correct. They want a snacks also. Okay. So what we have done here, we taken some number and we continuously multiplying. Okay. It is giving the infinity. Maybe you will get confused. Let it to be. I giving you some different examples. What is the value of this one? X and Y? Fast.
2 divisor not undefined हो जाएगा सर.
Rose
Sir,
is sleeping.
infinite, sir, infinite.
Why?
Oh, Rose is not
Anything
sleeping.
divisible by 0 is infinite.
2 minus 2, sir.
Yes. It's not defined. We
Okay.
can't divide any number with 0.
Yeah, correct. That become infinity and that become minus infinity due to the negative value. Okay. Divani, if you have doubt, don't worry. We're not going to
Nice,
treat
sir.
that infinity. Okay, so what is the type of? Tell me. What will be the type of?
Number.
Numbers.
So type will be number. Fine. Okay. So this way we can get infinity. How? Divisible by that 0. Anything divisible by 0, it will give you the infinity value. Let it to be fine. Now next hexadecimal. JavaScript interpreter numeric constants as hexadecimal if they are preceded by 0x. Let's say copy this line. I don't know. I have not much more idea this one. So who all from the computer background? Let's see. What you got here? We had written 0xff. It given 255. How? Tell me.
Sir, 16 number can be calculated in ABCD like alphabetically.
Yeah. So that is the thing. It will go 0, then it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, A, B, C, D, E, F. Correct? Praful? Is this correct or not?
Yes,
I
sir.
don't
Yes,
know.
sir. Correct, sir.
It will
Sir.
start after 15 or after 11.
After 16, sir. Octal means 8 and binary means 2. That's same thing in hexadecimal. In 16.
Yeah. So 16 will be A. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
right.
Yeah. So this way it representing the number. Okay. Don't ask how it will come. If you want, go and study digital electronics. Who all not study? Sweta, had you studied digital electronics? Don't tell that I had not studied. One day you were telling.
Sir, that's
Okay.
electrical science.
You had studied that, no? That's
Yes.
fine.
Okay.
So this way we can represent. It's not required. Don't worry. So never write a number with leading 0 like 07 like this way. Why? Some JavaScript version interpreter number as octal if they had written with a leading 0. If you will, what is this? Has too many active changes. Okay, let it to be. Okay, so if you will write with a 0 starting, it will think that this is octal. Okay, and it will convert into that form. So that's why don't write in octal. So second thing, now my number dot to string 10. What it will do? Any idea? Here something is written. What it will do? This line. Can anyone tell me what this will do?
Sir, decimal.
Decimal? No. See on the top something is written. By
It may
default, JavaScript, it will be like a decimal and binary that itself. JavaScript display number as base 10 decimal. Fine. But you can use toString method to output number from base 2 to base 36. Means if you want to convert the number from octal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, like this, any conversion, okay, you can pass like this way. Means you have to pass toString and then you have to pass which one you want, like octal, binary, decimal, hexadecimal. So you have to pass like that, that whether you want 10 bit means 10 or 32 or 16 or 8, something you have to pass. So it will give you the value. So let's do one thing. We had written something. Let's see what will be the output. For this, actually, you have to study digital electronics parts. Then you will get. So it giving you the 10. Let it to be. Now go with a 2. It given you in the form of a 2. 2 means binary or decimal. What is this one? 2, that is decimal. I think decimal. What is that? Decimal is base 10. Yeah. So it's came in the form of base 10. Means all will be like 0 and 1 term. Okay. Let's see. JavaScript number as object. In a string, we had seen the same thing. If you have to create object in the sense instance. So how we was creating object means how we was creating instance. What was the keyword? What was the keyword for creating instance? Can anyone?
Yeah,
What
sir,
was the
instance we use, sir.
what was the keyword by which we can create instance?
Instance of
No, that is not. With the help of instance of, we can check that whether it's instance of or not. So keyword is the new. Okay, with the help of a new keyword, we can create the instance. Same thing we had seen in the JavaScript also. Okay, how you creating the object means any number. How you defining any number? We are just creating let x equal to 10. Correct or not? Same thing, we can create object in the sense we can create the same thing instance. You can tell instance. See, normally JavaScript number are primitive value created from the literals in the sense variable, correct? But number can also be defined as object with the keyword new. Got it? Object creation in the sense who all had studied Java, Python, those language, constructors are there. So with the help of a constructor, we can create a new instance. We can use that for creating purpose. So same thing, we can create like this way also, but in same thing we had discussed in the case of a string that never create the instance or the object. Mostly we are telling just object creation itself. So don't be confused. This object, let x equal to this object. Don't be confused. Okay, this one. Whenever you ask, means anybody asking how to create object, just directly you have to tell the keyword that is new. So with the help of new keyword, we can create the object. But that object is something different. Okay. Nobody will ask you that creation process for that one. So, but one thing in the string also we had discussed, and here also, do not create a numeric object. So how you will create a new number? So number we will create directly like this way. Don't create the object. Object creation in the sense which keyword? Object creation which keyword?
New keyword.
New keyword.
New
So
code.
never create that, never create the object. Fine. So the new keyword complicate the code and slow down the execution speed. Numeric objects can proceed unexpected result. So same thing, same line of whatever line you getting here, same line was written in case of a string also. So never use this one. So next, when we will use a double equal to operator? Tell me, when we will use a double equal to operator?
Comparing the values, sir.
Comparing
Sir,
operator. Comparing purpose. What comparing?
Only number.
sir, number.
Not number, not
Value,
number,
sir, value.
Value.
Not the type. Yeah.
Okay.
Only
Yeah.
value.
So same thing we had to look over in the string also. See, whatever we had to look over that creation process in the string, same thing we can get here also. So there we had discussed new keyword in that time also, that you had taken x equal to 500 and you taken y equal to new number, this one. So let's see that. So x equal to y, will it equal or not? What are you thinking? It will be equal or not? True or false?
Sir, true, sir.
It will be false.
Both is 500.
One
Oh,
Why
second.
false, sir?
X.
X
No, no,
also
no.
500. Why?
Yeah, it's again, yeah, true. Okay. So this way we can compare. Yeah, but when we will go with the triple, sorry, yeah, in the case of triple, it will not give you true.
Yeah, then
It
it
will give
will
false.
show false.
False, because it holding some means with the help of new, what it will do, it will provide you dynamic memory allocation. Maybe you had listened the word dynamic memory, dynamic memor by allocation. So when you creating the object creation in the sense a new operator, when you creating object, dynamic memory getting allocated. Okay, means this x equal to 500. Memory is allocated, that is a static memory. They have fixed memory that it will be take 500, means x will be take 500. But when you creating new, it going to create the instance in the sense object. Okay, and for that dynamic memory will allocate. Dynamic in the sense that is like a virtual, you can tell like that, virtual, like that. So don't be confused. Slowly you will get that idea when we will learn slowly up. So in the case of triple equal to, it will not give you equal because value and
one-
type.
Sir,
Yeah,
one
yeah.
doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Anyone tell object definition? So, what can I do, sir?
Okay. See, if anybody telling you what is object, so object you can means object you can tell that there are two type. One is like a representation of data. Got it? Which one that? Let x equal to this one. Correct. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
your data representation. Here we are passing key and value. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So this is like a data representation. But anybody telling you how you can create the object. So you can tell that with the help of new keyword. But anybody telling store data in the object form. The word is that a data. Okay. Store data in the object form. So that time you can directly focus in this section. Key and value. You will tell that data will be stored in the key and value pair. But if anybody telling you what is object, okay, you can tell this itself. But you can tell if they asking how you will create the object. Question will be like that. How you will create the object? Question will that you can go with this one, new operator. Okay, what it will do? With the help of new operator, we can create object and a dynamic memory will get allocated for particular object. Got it? But if anybody telling you object means in the sense of a data, you can go with this one, key and value pair. Means you can tell data is stored in the form of a key and value pair in the object case. Clear? So
Yeah,
this
sir,
was
got it.
basic. Yeah. So this was something basic examples of a number representation, how you can create number and those all. So tomorrow we will cover the JavaScript number method. Fine. Comparing to JavaScript, always JavaScript, and see one thing. Comparing to JavaScript always return false. Why? Because of the dynamic memory allocation. They have not the actual value. That means memory is allocated dynamically. We will learn this thing slowly in the upcoming session, that how memory is allocated and these all things. But if we will discuss now, you will get confused. So up to now, what we had done, we looked over the different method of a string. Same thing. Now we looked over how to create the number. Now we will look over how we can, what are the different methods of number. So this we will discuss tomorrow. Anyone having any issue? Now tell me. This is just how many page? 1 second.
The class over.
Just 1 second. If you will give me half an hour, then I will finish this thing. Can we continue half an hour?
Yes, sir. Sir, I gave you, sir.
Yes, sir. That's why
Okay, fine. Sir, data over. Okay. Samsad, yes, sir. Okay. Samsad, data over or half an hour? Okay, let's see. Some methods are there. We will look that. So if you want to convert a number into a string, data hai, okay. If you want to convert a number into a string, how to convert? Any idea? Anyone? Okay. How to convert a
plus.
string into number?
adding plus, sir.
Question is that how to convert a string into number?
Plus, sir.
Sir, we
Plus sign.
remove dot.
What you telling?
We
Shivani, don't
can
say.
remove
pass
quotes.
sir.
What is quote, sir? I tell you. Single
Quotes.
quote, double quotes.
Means
Yes.
you will remove a quote, correct? 1 second. You will remove this quotes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then
You
a
add
string.
plus sign.
Plus sign. Can you?
Shivani, I
Right,
think
sir.
you had
Sir,
eaten
I
more.
want
That's
to
why
go,
you
sir.
sleeping. Where you want to go?
No,
Don't
sir.
go outside. This is night time.
Can I go,
See,
sir?
where you will go? What happened? What I done? Oh, data 2s. .js. Okay, fine. Then x. No, is calling. To convert the number into that, sorry, a string into number. We was adding plus sign, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. We have to check here type. Type of. Yeah, it given number. Correct. So this way we can convert a string into number. But I want to convert opposite number into a string. How to do that? We will pass like this way.
Sir, then we
Let
pass na
x
single
equal
quotes,
to 10.
double quotes.
Yeah, correct. And what you will do? You will pass
Pass
single quote double.
your x dot to string, sir.
So we will pass like this, Shivani, correct? Shivani.
Right, yes, a type of. Comma, sir.
Type
Comma, sir.
of comma x. So this will be your number, correct? Means, sorry, a string, correct. But now tell me, if I getting some data from the database, you will do like this type in database.
No,
Means
sir.
user, you will not do that, correct? Means you have to do that dynamically because the data is coming from somewhere. I don't know what type of data this is, but we have to convert that into that form, like number. Suppose number is that 10 is the number type, so we have to convert that into a string. So we can't do that by that process. So there is a method that is to a string. Okay, so you have to pass this to a string method and it will convert that into number type. Fine. So where we will pass now, tell me, Sweta, where we will write that to a string. As like a string, in the string we had seen many things. So where we was passing those all things.
Yeah, sir. We can take one variable and pass to string.
Variable is already there.
Yeah, sir. In place
Okay,
of
you want again. Okay, let it to be. You want one more variable, fine. So let result equal to next.
x dot to string. Sir.
Yeah, x dot next
To
x
string.
dot
To
to
string.
a string. Yeah, fine. So is this correct? Save. What we
Sir,
got? We
but
got a.
places we can add, sir.
So first check whether it is
Sir,
method or
sir.
see.
Yeah, it is.
What is
It
this?
is, sir. Yeah.
This method. So we will pass the method. Method in the sense this one. So now see, we got a 10. Now check that type of 10. Type of a result. Sorry. Type of result. Save. We got a string. Clear?
Directly we get. No, sir. Why are you using to string?
Type for checking purpose.
Not, sir. To string.
Yeah, to a string, that's for converting into a string.
Okay.
To a string, we had written to a string dot to a string for converting purpose. After conversion, I checking whether it is a string or not. Got it?
Okay.
See, you getting confused. Wait 1 second. Log, yeah. Type of result also. Hello. Hello. I will check type of X and type of result. Is my voice audible?
Now is audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
sir.
here I will check the type of both, type of X also and type of result also. So see, one is a number and one is like a string type. Okay. So two types are there because one I converted result is the conversion of the in the form of a string. So be getting that is as a string, but first one is like a number. Clear? Why we had taken two means type of operator for checking purpose that whether after conversion it got converted into or not. That's why.
Yes.
So one question: if I passing prompt operator, what are you thinking? What it will take?
Will take from the user, sir.
It will take a number or that enter number. I telling user give number. What you thinking? What it will give? It will give
Will
number.
no, sir. Anything. User will enter anything.
Now, okay, I passed a 212. What it will take? It will give number or a string.
A string, sir.
A string. Why?
We can
Be
pass
passing number.
Method na, x dot to a string. That's why.
But see here, we taken here two things. One is like a result and one is a X. What will be the output in both case? Tell me. Because we converted that a string result part. Correct?
One is number and one is a string.
Okay, one is a number and second is a string. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. What happened? Both is a string. In the sense, whatever you getting output from the prompt, that is always a string. Okay? Got this or not? Whatever you taking output from the prompt method, it will give you a string. Clear? Had you got any idea what it giving you? So if you have to compare, means suppose you going to compare the data, and when you getting the data from the user, do one thing. Let's do some operation here. Everybody know this one. Let data 1 equal to, okay, prompt enter first value, copy, enter second value and data 2. I want to compare with a triple equal to. What will be output? Data 1 equal to data 2. Will this give, will answer will be true or false? So enter first value. I going to first value as a 22. Second value 22. Now tell me answer. What will be? True or false?
True, sir.
Okay.
It will be true. Okay. But it given you a string format, correct? Because in the prompt method it giving you a string. So this way we can take the data, we can do manipulation, whatever you have to do. If you want, you can convert that. Got it? So with the help of to string, we can convert the variable into different form. So second, The two exponential method. What are you getting from the word exponential? What are you getting from the word exponential?
Sir, square.
Log
Oh,
of each
So
one.
exponential, it will
Power,
give
sir.
return a string with a number rounded and written using the exponential notation. Means it will give you value in the exponential form. And a parameter define the number of character behind the decimal point. It's like simple, you can think exponential form itself. So let's see what value we can get here. So console.log and pass this thing with some variable. Let data equal to and pass here data. Don't tell me that what value will come. So we got 9.66 e power means power 0 after conversion to the exponential. Okay, pass here 3. Let's see what happened. It given you 3. Pass 1. Are you getting what is happening here? When I passed 1, after decimal only one value is there. When I passing 2, after decimal 2 value is there and the remaining value will be e power. If I passing 3, exponential value will be 3 after decimal, remaining will be e power. If I passing 4, value will be 4. After that all will be e power. Getting? So this is going to happen in the case of a 2 exponential. Means how much value you want after decimal, remaining will be represent e power those value. Clear? So this way we can convert into exponential form. Just now we had look over two fixed method. It going to return you a string with a number written with a specific number of decimal. So after decimal, how much you want, you can pass with the help of a two fixed 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like that way. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Hello. Is any issue in this all case?
No, sir.
No issue. So this will be work perfectly. See, in the case of money, because we are writing 500.00 paisa. Okay, 20 paise, 1 rupee 20 paise. There you can use. Otherwise, in case of a percentage marks, there also. Next is two precision. See, these all will be useful when you will do some mathematical calculation. That time you will use these all things too much. So two precision, what it will do, it will return a string with a number written with a specified length. So how much length you want, you can get that. Let data equal to save. So we got here 9.569. I will pass here 1. Let's see what you got. 1 power, 1 e power something we got. Then we passed 2. It converted 9.7. Okay. Pass 3. What happened? Are you getting how it representing the value? In the case of two precision, it giving you how much length you will give. You give him 3. 3 become 1 decimal, then 1, 2. This become 3. 1, 2, 3. Means it calculating starting from the decimal point itself. If I will pass a 4, now tell me after decimal how many value? Total after decimal how many value it will be?
3, sir.
It will be 3 value because it calculating 4 in the sense 0 will be one number, 1 will be 1, then 2 will be 1, then something will be there. Like this way it calculating means you can tell length. So two precision. So next is the value of operator, means value of method. It will return the number as a number. Okay, like x equal to This look like easy or not? Who is sleeping?
String is so much easy, sir.
String.
Some confusion is there, sir.
The confusion
Where?
is so much, sir.
In a string case. I
In
know
all
that.
strings, sir.
Yeah, slice, substring,
Everyone
substr.
forgets our method, sir.
No, if you will go one time, na, just write down all the method in paper and go through all, you will get clear. There are nothing, just a few means confusion are there. I know slice, substring, substr. In those you will get confusion. So see, in this case, x equal to 1.123. Now data equal to x dot value of. Here you can pass which value you want, like 123 dot value of. Let's pass that 123 dot value of. What it giving? It giving just value. Nothing it going to do. What is this method? I think it giving you decimal value. What happened? It given you 100 plus 20. It given you 120. It's not doing anything. It's just adding that one. In JavaScript, a number can be primitive value, type of equal to number, or object, type of equal to object. Means it may be number or second object. The value of method is used internally in JavaScript to convert number object to primitive value. Okay. There is no reason to use it in your code. All JavaScript data type have value of and toString method. What is the use of toString method? We had seen just now. What was that?
Converting
Yes, sir. Number
Yeah.
can a string.
No, that is, yeah. With the help of toString method, we can convert a number into a string format. Correct? Yeah. So next, there are three JavaScript method that used to convert variables to number. Means now I want to convert into number form. So which way you can convert the string into number? What is the way?
number method with help of
With the help of
Plus.
plus operator also we can convert, correct?
Yes,
The
sir.
same thing we can do different also. Let's look over that. So the first one is the number method itself. Okay. Second is parse int and the next is parse float method. Go one by one. So the number method. So let's take number true, number false, number 10. Let's take anything. Let's take this one. And I will pass inside console direct. Okay. Number 10. What will be output? Number 10. Is this will be number or a string? So it will give you number. So we got 10. That's fine. How I will check that whether number or not? Check type of. Pass type of. Let's see. We got the number. But we know that inside the value which is available, that is a string, that is not number. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Let's say check some number. Check that log, pass this and save. What is the output? Tell me. What will be output?
False, sir.
Who will tell? False. What? False. True is there, then how it will be false? It will be 1. Because 1 is true and 0 is false. Sweta, see, in the programming, 0 means false and 1 means true. In Java, Python, everywhere we are thinking like that way. Okay.
Okay.
1 means true and 0 means false. So that's why when we converted true, it given 1. Let's see. It given 1. If you will pass false, then it will give you 0. Clear? 0 means false, means off. Off means like switch off. It will be 0. Switch on 1. See, if you have seen some switch, in that switch itself, it is written like 1, 0. in place of on and off. Maybe you will see somewhere. So, okay, so this way we can convert with the help of number method. We can convert into number. Fine. Next. Next method. So next is the, okay, so look over here. Return the number converted from its argument. Fine. Next, parse float. Parse float it argument and return a floating point number. What it will do? It will convert into number, but it will not give you number. It will convert into floating point number. Okay. Number convert date to number, date, let it to be parse int. Let it to be, remove this. That's no need. Parse int method. Yeah. So take this value. See, while practice, please practice these all things. Then you will get more and more idea what it doing actually. Parse int. Let's see what happened. It given you again the number. So with the help of this, it also giving. Let's check without verify. Don't think. What happened? It given you the number type. Correct. So this way we can verify that whether we converted that is number or not. Clear? Let's do this one. What is this actually? Log. What happened? See what happened. This one parse int. Okay, 10 years. It taken that 10 and it had removed the year part. Means it return only the digit. It means number value. Do one thing. What will be the output now? Now also it given you the 10. Do one thing. Pass in the last. Remove the starting one. Let's save. What happened? It given you not a number because now it converting this one into number. Correct or not? So when we passing number on the means at the starting position, it will convert into means it will return the number part as like 10 years. So due to parse int, it will give you the 10 year will be removed. But when you passing year itself on the first position, then it will give you not a number because it can't take that number. Number is not there. That's why. Means the last value it will not take. Got it? So this way we had done. If you passing something, you can do that. 100% over. Okay. Next, parse float. What we will do with the help of parse float? We can convert that into form of which one? Decimal. So let's take something. Approach. Just I want 5 minutes. I think. If 5 minutes, that's enough. These are just normal things. Parse int completed. Parse float. Yeah. So with the help of parse float, what we will do? We can convert into decimal form. Let's see what we getting the output. What happened? We not got any output. Why? Oh, sorry. Console. Let's save. We got a 10. Okay. We got a 10. Means it returned the first value. Let's remove this one. Let's save. We got a 20. Remove this also. We got 30. So whatever matching value it getting first, it returning that one. Only voice is coming. Okay, approach. Just give me 5 minutes to 10 minutes. It is simple. Don't worry. So 20. Let's do one thing. Pass here something text. Let's see what you getting. Be getting the same thing. First value only, not the second value. Means it will convert into that float type. See that. Convert a string to floating point number. Floating point number in the sense which one? Floating point in the sense which one? Decimal type. Correct. So parse a string and return a number. Spaces are allowed. Only the first number is returned. See this. Only first number will be get returned, not any other. Do one thing. Take this value. And now see that. Now see the magic. What will be output? Tell me first. What will be output in the second case? As much you will speed, I will also. What will be output in the second? In that this one 10.30.
Float, sir.
10,
Float
sir.
means what will be output? Output will be completely because the decimal part. It will give the float value. Correct. So Praful, this is float conversion. Correct. So it giving you the
Yes, sir.
complete float value. Do one thing. Pass here also. .33 something. Let's see. There also be got means it giving the float value. So whatever matching first value we getting that will. Fine. So next. So if the number cannot converted, if number will not get converted into any form, we getting nan, NaN. Okay. So next is max value, mean value. It will return the maximum value and minimum value. So like if we taking let x equal to, now tell me, Java guy, tell me what will be the answer for this one. Sweta, what are you thinking? What is the answer? Number dot max value. What will be answer?
Maximum. I don't know.
Don't know. Okay. So see, with the who is playing music? Okay. So see, in the case of maximum value, it will see the number dot max value. It will search the maximum value up to where the number can be right. Okay, and it will return that part. So see, number can be right this much. Got it? Now go with the minimum value. So minimum value will be this one, 5e power minus 3.424 means
Sir,
that is like it this. Yeah.
In number, why taken that exponential, sir?
Yeah, because no, see, when you will get some long value, okay, then it will not represent in the number form. You know what is this one, minus 324? You know how much digit it will come? It will in the form of 0.00, like that type it will go, because that is negative. Correct? If this will be positive, like 5e power 25 itself, it will give you 5.00 something 2345 like this way. It's very lengthy. So it will not, if you have very largest number, then it will not represent directly. It will go in the exponential form to write in the short form. Okay. So with the help of max and mean value, we can find out the maximum and minimum value actually. Next, we will look over this in the case of array. Don't worry. So in the case of infinity, okay, same thing we had learned. It will again 1 divided by 0, something divided by 0. It will give you the infinity. Okay. Next, negative infinity. If this will be negative value, it will give you -1. Negative divided by 0. Then again 9 came, not a number came, not a number in the sense, same thing. Number divided by that a string, it will give you not a number. In the string we had seen these all things. Correct. Number property cannot be used on variables. Means what is the meaning of this one? This one. This is number property, max value. But if we wanted to look over where the variables, now see what you are looking over, x equal to 6, and now you checking x dot max value. How you can get this? It will not work. because you can't calculate max value on this x number. So that's why you will not get anything. You will get undefined. Got it? So this is my last topic of a number. It's completed. Let me stop recording.